After loving so many pieces from the Estee Lauder Blockbuster set, I couldn't wait to try more, and the eyeshadow quad in the shades Preen Up really caught my eye, so I can't wait to try it out and see if that works on mature skin as well. Hi, I'm Marie and I've created Curious Beauty to test out luxury makeup and skincare to see what really works on a mature skin. Today we are going full face Estee Lauder to try out the eyeshadow quad in Preen Up and to also revisit some of our favourites from the Blockbuster set. Stick around for more. I'm going to start with Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer. And next up is Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in shade 3W1 Tawny. Next up, I'm actually going to contour a little bit with my Christian Dior bronzer. Next up, we're going to use the blush that came in the Estee Lauder Blockbuster set. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. And we used this really lovely shade in our last Estee Lauder video. And we're going to use this one again for our blush. And for an extra bit of dazzle, I'm going to use this highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Pillow Talk Glow. And so here is the hero product of this video. This is the Estee Lauder eyeshadow quad in the shade Preen Up. And this is a really wearable neutral brown cream set. So I kind of selected that as being one of the most wearable sets of shades. Let's give this one a try. So I think this palette is really great if you love a shimmer eye. The most wearable of all the shades, this one here is a shimmer, and that's what I have on the most of my eye. I have this creamy one in the inner corner and then the darker brown on the outer corner and some of the very dark one underneath the lower lashes. This time I'm also trying another one of these dual-ended eye pencils. If you saw the Blockbuster video, you will have seen me use this one before. Today I am using the Noir and Ivory version. I do think I need to mattify down my T-zone a little bit, so I am going to go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder just to mattify down the centre of my face a little before we complete our eye look. I'm going to complete my eye look now with the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. This again is something that came out of the Blockbuster box, so you may have seen this one before. And it's got a rather long wand on it, which I find excellent for coating all the lashes in a single swipe. So there we have a nice good coating of mascara on the eyelashes. And that means it's time to finish up with the lips. I've got a new lip pencil to try today. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 015 Blush. And I also have the Pure Colour Lipstick Cream in the shade Rebellious Rose. So here it is. This is our completed look featuring the Estee Lauder eyeshadow quad in Prenup, also featuring lipstick in Rebellious Rose and the Noir and Ivory eyeliner and black Sumptuous mascara. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet seen the Estee Lauder Blockbuster unboxing and try on, I will leave a link to that video right here. And if you have seen that one, then please check out some of my other festive makeup collection videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.